This is the elevator at the Snyder place, Amherst, New York. Dover Impulse. It's from 1989. I heard the machine room. All right, let's go to 2. Here we are 2. Go down to 1. And door close works.
It's really just your basic Dover from the 80s.
Yeah, basic Dover from the late 80s. Here we are 1.
Do you want to end here?
Yeah, we're gonna take another ride.
Okay.
And door close works. Let's check the phone. Yep, it has a phone. So let's see if you can call the station up here. Can you ring the bell? Yep. Now it's got a bumper, and we'll go down to 1. Now we'll get a cab view. It's really nice cell there. Basic Dover from the 80s. Impulse fixtures. 2,000 pound capacity. There it goes. And that's it.